Hello guys, I welcome you back to my YouTube channel, and as you can see right here on our screen, this is a free $100 no deposit bonus, and I'll be showing you how you can get this free $100 no deposit bonus this morning. Okay, and also I'll be discussing the terms and conditions you have to comply with in order for you to be able to withdraw your profit. Yes, you heard me right, you can be able to withdraw your profit, and I will be guiding you through how you can get this $100 no deposit bonus this morning, so that you won't have to blow your account, and so that you won't have to forfeit your chance of getting this no deposit bonus. Okay, so everything you have to know about this no deposit bonus will be explained. And recently, for those of you who are in my Telegram channel, as you all know, we have been getting a lot of withdrawals proof recently. A lot of people have been making money, so this is your best time to make your own money. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Without wasting too much of our time, I've checked our YouTube statistic, and as I can see, a lot of you have not been liking this video, you have not been sharing my videos, and this is really affecting our channel. And in order for more people to be able to see our videos and to be able to make money just like we are doing, you have to keep on sharing your videos with your loved ones. All right, so now, for those of you who are interested in making money online in 2026 without you having to deposit, let me take you to my Telegram channel. As you can see right here on my screen, this is our Telegram channel. This is where we make our money. As you can see, these are the withdrawal proofs that we have been sharing. These are the withdrawal proofs that we have been sharing recently. We have been able to withdraw money. And for those of you who have not been able to withdraw money recently, this is another opportunity for you. As you can see, there are a lot of withdrawals proof. A lot of people are saying thank you to me. Okay, so now let me show you how to get your free $100 no deposit bonus, so that you can claim it immediately after watching this video, and so that you can start making money. Now, before we start, I will urge you guys not to fast forward this video, because if you do, you might not be able to get this free $100 no deposit bonus. And the reason why I'm making this video is because to get it is not that simple. And once you miss it, this is not some exaggeration, once you miss it once, you won't be able to get it again. So watch it carefully, don't miss any amount, don't miss any place. Okay, don't miss it at all. So once you get to this place, let me show you how you are going to get to this interface. The link to get to this interface where you are going to be getting your free $100 no deposit bonus will be pinned in the comment section and in the description of this video. And once you click on the link, you'll be taken to my Telegram channel, which I just showed you just now. This is my Telegram channel. Okay, don't go and mistakenly go to another person's Telegram channel. Okay, so use the link in the description of this video. It will take you to an interface like this. You will see the link to get your free $100 no deposit bonus, just like this. Okay, so once you click on the link, make sure you subscribe before clicking on the link, so that you'll be updated when another no deposit bonus or profit account or free funded account is about to drop. Okay, so once you click on the link, it will take you to somewhere like this, as you can see, to bring out something like this. So get bonus now. But before we click on get bonus now, let me guide you through some things. Not register yet with us, claim your bonus and start reading. Okay, so just come down, scroll down. This is the no deposit bonus terms and condition. Just click on no deposit bonus terms and condition. Terms and condition for a free $10 no deposit bonus. Now, what is written there for us is that we are going to get a free $100 no deposit bonus, and now they are writing it that we'll be getting a $10 no deposit bonus. But any which way, we are still going to get our no deposit bonus account, and this might have been an error. So let's just read the terms and condition. As you can see, this is it. Just go through it. As you can see, the minimum withdrawal is $25. So if they should give you $10, once you're able to reach $25, you'll be able to withdraw your profit. And the maximum leverage should be only 200. The minimum lot size should be 5 trading lots in currency pairs. Okay, Bonus can't be used for internal transfer. Account should be maintained within 30 days. So after 30 days, your account will be terminated. Only profit amount is allowed to withdraw, and it will be processed in any of our payment methods. So this is the terms and condition you have to know about. Okay, this is the terms and condition. Now, to get your free $100 no deposit bonus, let me show you how. So the first thing you have to do is for you to get back to the interface that we were just coming from. Okay, so once you get to this interface, just click on get bonus now. Click on get bonus now. So once you click on it, wait for it to load patiently. So it will take you to an interface like this, and since this is our first time of coming to this place, the first thing you have to do is to click on create a new account. So choose an individual account and click on next. Okay, so once you click on next, it's gonna bring you to somewhere like this. I want you to know that this $100 no deposit bonus just dropped. No one has heard about it, not even the most popular no deposit bonus droppers. Okay, so once you get to this interface, enter your first name, your last name, and select your country. And I want you to know this no deposit bonus is available for all clients. It doesn't matter whether you're from Japan, whether you're from Nigeria, whether you're from USA, or no matter where you are from, you can be able to get this no deposit bonus. And the names that you have to use, your first name and your last name, must be accurate together with the KYC that you will be verifying, because you won't be able to get this no deposit bonus without verifying your KYC. And this shows that this no deposit bonus is very legit and very accurate. Okay, so once you select your country, enter your email address, your active email address, and your password, the password that you can't forget, and make sure that your password is very secure for security purpose. So let me just do mine, and I will get back to you shortly. So as you can see, now that I am done, let me show you the next process you have to go through. Click on next, and don't forget that I agreed together with your terms and condition. So as you can see right here on our interface, a code has been sent to our email account. What we have to do is to make sure that we verify our OTP. Okay, so let's go down to our email to verify our OTP. That's why I said your email must be very active so that you'll be able to receive your OTP code. Just calm down, and let's do it step by step for clarity. Don't make any mistake by forwarding this video, because if you make any mistake, I don't want you coming to my DM and start asking me for any question. Okay, so make sure you watch this video very well right now, and if you have any questions to ask, be sure to reach out to me through the comment section. That is the best way you can reach out to me. If you should reach out to me through another method, I won't be able to give you the response that you deserve. Okay, so now just click on create accounts. Now that our code has been entered, click on create accounts, and as you can see, just save your login password and your login password. Just click on remember me, so that next time you want to log in, it will be faster for you to log in into your account. So now that we are done registering and we are done entering our registered email and registered password, the next thing for you to do is for you to click on login. But if you forget your password and you have to log in back and you need your password, all you have to do is to come down here and click on forget password. Okay, so click on login. So once you click on login, it's gonna take you to somewhere like this. All right, you'll be brought to an interface like this, and this is where you have to pay full attention to what I will be showing you. Okay, so click on the storyline. Once you click on the three lines, you'll be brought to an interface like this, and this is it. This is their dashboard. This is how you can deposit in case you want to deposit. This is how you can withdraw. You can just click on withdraw, select your transfer will be processed within 24 hours. Okay, so this is how you can withdraw your money. Your balance will be shown. Okay, so now let's look for how to get our no deposit bonus account. All right, So I want you to know that in order for you to be able to get your no deposit bonus account, you have to verify your KYC first. Okay, you have to verify your KYC. So in order to verify your KYC, all you have to do is to click on profile. So once you click on profile, you'll be taken to the next interface. Once you click on profile, they'll bring you to somewhere like this, to profile verification. And once you get to this profile verification, all you have to do is to come down below here and click on identity verification. So as for your identity verification, and this is what you are supposed to do, just click on this download icon. So once you click on this download icon, all you have to do is to put in your international passport or your national ID card or your driver license, any one of your choice. And once you come down to resident verification, you can just upload your bank statements or your NEPA bills. Okay, you just come down and click on this upload icon. So once you're done, your account will be verified. Okay, your account will be verified, and you can also choose to become an IB. Okay, you can choose to become an IB, and right here is your user ID. You'll be making use of this user ID also, so it will be best for you to copy it right now. And that is why I told you guys to make sure that you watch this video to the very end. And as you can see, the terms and conditions approve. You can click on the terms and conditions approve. But the reason why, okay, this is it right here. So the broker file, you can just download this so that you can understand what the terms and condition is. This is how you can download it. I have shown you the other time, but you can also come back here to download it. So now let me verify my account so that I will proceed on how you can get your free $100 no deposit bonus account. Let me do mine and I will get back to you shortly. So once your account is being verified within a space of 30 to 40 minutes, the next thing for you to do is for you to go and claim your free $100 no deposit bonus. And to do that, the next thing for you to do is for you to come to this interface and click on MT5 accounts for better trading, because a lot of you are not familiar with MT4 trading platform, Tick Trader and more. So come to this place and click on live account. So once you click on live account, click on create account. Once you click on create account, click on create account again, and it's going to bring you to somewhere like this, whereby you have to select your account type and your leverage and your currency. And I don't want you to forget that the other time, that is why you must watch this video to the very end. The maximum leverage that you must select is 200. So select your account type, which is no deposit bonus. Select your leverage, which is 200. So once you're done with that, just click on next step. It will take you to another interface whereby you have to enter your password, confirm your password again, and it will bring out something for you to click on, which is going to be like next or okay. So let me just do mine and I will get back to you shortly so that we can proceed. So once you click on it, it's going to bring out something like your account has been successfully created, and I guess that the information should be sent to our email account, but your account has been created. All right, your account has been created. So let's go back to our dashboard. To check for the account that has been created. As you can see, the live account, this is it, one live account. Click on see all. As you can see, this is the no deposit bonus live account. This is the leverage. So you can just click on see details. You can click on see details, and as you can see, our balance is still zero. And this is our MT5. This is our MT5 ID. Okay, this is our MT5 ID. So in order for you to get your no deposit bonus account, the next thing for you to do is for you to go to their support. You can either copy your MT5 ID. I will prefer you copy your MT5 ID, copy it, and also copy your account ID, the one I told you to copy the other time. So once you are done copying it, just come to support, but make sure that your account has been verified. Click on new support. So you choose the topic, which is you can just choose account. You can enter, I am requesting, I would like to get my free no deposit bonus account to be credited. So just type to be credited. This is my ID, this is my account ID. So you just paste your account ID, and once you're done pasting your account ID, you can also say this is my MT5, this is my MT5 number, this is my MT5 number. So once you're done, just put it, this is your MT5 number. So just put the number and put the ID I told you to copy the other time. So once you're done, you can just click on create. So once you click on create, this is it right here. They will now get back to you, and after getting back to you, just come back to your dashboard. You will see that your account would have been credited with the no deposit bonus. It can either be $10 or $100 no deposit bonus, but your account will be credited. Okay, for more information, I would like you to reach out to me through the comment section. Make sure you like this video, because if you don't like this video and you come to me to the comment section, I won't reply you. I'm just joking, but make sure you like this video. I love you guys. There is nothing you can do about it. Enjoy your day.